KOME. Have you ever wondered what the streets look like in your country when it's raining? Okay, today it is really raining in my country, especially in my city, Freetown. So I will be taking you to the streets of Freetown, and you'll get to know how hardworking Sierra Leoneans are, because no matter how heavy the rain is, you'll always see the streets very jam-packed, people everywhere, people in every shops, all shops are open, no one is having a holiday, because hey, it is the raining season here in my country. And you know what? We keep working. Hey, what's up my people? Let's go! So, I'm about to cross here. Let us cross together. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going. So I am almost all wet. I am almost all wet. We're heading now to the streets, the main street, but I'll be showing you the roads. Of course, we know August is a very ugly month for us in Sierra Leone. As it was in August 14, we had the mudslide, which I'll be showing you shortly, and I'll be showing you the before and after scene of the mudslide. What's up my people, it's your boy KOME. Like I told you, the street is all full. People are passing, people are looking at me. Everywhere, you can see for yourself, everywhere. No amount of rain can stop the people in Sierra Leone from coming out. Hey, what's up my people, it's your boy KOME. So like I told you, everywhere is open, but we can see I hopped into Chicken Town to get some food, but I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna get some food and I'll go back in the streets and see how the rain situation is. But everywhere is actively open, everybody's in the streets, everybody's hustling, despite the rain, despite the heavy rains. We're still here, we're still doing our thing. They in Sierra Leone, this is what we do, you understand? So we're very hardworking, and kudos to every Sierra Leonean out there chasing their dreams, doing their works, going to their jobs, not using the game for an excuse, having their umbrella. It's not like me, I don't have an umbrella yet because I misplaced my last umbrella. Leaving your house under the heavy rain, coming to work, do you think it's affecting you, or you do it because you're hardworking and of course you have the Sierra Leonean blood running through you, which means you're a very hardworking man? So,
hello, my name is Adikalo Isbanga. Let me say, life is all about risks. When you take a risk of anything that you need in lifetime, you can make it possible. Then when I leave my house in this every when I'm coming to job, just because I have the interest of my job, I want to make myself better.
Okay. So we just had it from Adikali himself. He has a job at heart and he knows being hardworking is the solution to every problem. So he's a Sierra Leonean and he's hardworking. So kudos to that. Fried rice. So I just got myself a snack box to snack myself down from the rain, so I can't eat. Meaning I am coming to have my food now, and after I go back on the streets for sure salon with the. So I just had my snack box delivered to me, and I had a side of is it fried rice? Yes, fried rice, and snack box comes with a piece of a chicken and a city hot sauce, and of course I had 2 sauces. I don't know why, but like, okay, so let me chop. People, I just finished eating. Let's all go back in the streets and see how the street is, and we go to the house and do some editing. Hey, what's up my people, it's your boy KOME. Someone advertise for Coke quick, yeah. Drink Coke, it's fresh. When the place is raining, go find yourself a Coke and drink and refresh yourself. So we're back in the streets, and let us see how the street looks like. And hey, what's up my people? See who joined me. It's a K just joined in.
Hello, peace, loving African people.
It's a K just joined in. So I think the streets is a bit empty right now. Let's just see. Okay. This is where. This is for kind side shots. This is for PQ. Yes, you see? Okay. Hey, what's up my people? It's your boy KOMB. We just came back from where we started, and of course that is my country. When it's raining, I wasn't able to take you everywhere. I just took you around my community. This is Brookfield, and of course this is Sierra Leone. It's rainy. I'm sure it's a bit of everywhere. The same thing, what happens here happens there, happens every other place. You know, it's a small country and the people are very hardworking, and you just heard it from the guy at the restaurant that interviewed. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share my videos. He's your boy KOME.